Hi guys, flu is killing me. Today I want to talk about something that I believe can change our lives. The power of positivity. We all face challenges and sometimes it feels like things are not going on our way, but I want to remind you that our thoughts have power. When we think positive, good things can happen. When we think negative, it can hold us back. It's easy to get caught up in believing that external forces are controlling our lives, but the truth is, we have the power to choose our thoughts. We can choose to believe in ourselves, to be optimistic, and to expect good things. When we focus on positivity, we open ourselves up to the new opportunities and experiences. We become more resilient and we are better equipped to handle life's challenges. On the other hand, when we let negativity take over, it can be draining and hold us back from reaching out our full potential. So I want to encourage you to believe in yourself. Don't let discouragement creep in. Surround yourself with positive influences and remind yourself daily of your strength and abilities. Give yourself permission to dream big and work toward making those dreams a reality. Let's make a conscious effort to be positive, to uplift each other, and to trust in our own abilities. With God's guidance and our positive mindset, I believe we can achieve great things. Let's rise above the challenges and shine our light for all. Eqiniso yokuthi isilungu sabuya ngescape eAfrika. Yikho mase sikhuluma yezwa nolimi luqinile Nkosi yami. Luyala ukushaya iAmerican tone. Ngizosixolela kuleyo ndawo ne. Remember one day I will go to America.